What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Vvs1 back with another banger, man. I'm finna show y'all what I got in the mail today. I am so excited about this package. I did get this from Get Lux. This is my first piece from them. So I'm finna show y'all what we got today. Let's get into it. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. Thumbnail. I'm looking at myself on the screen. But yeah, y'all, we got Get Lux, man. Let's get into this banger though. Before I show y'all, I am going out of town tomorrow. I can't wait to get my hair cut. I went 2.5 weeks without getting a haircut. Get this on. I don't know what that was. But yeah, y'all, let's get back into the video though. I'm finna show y'all what we got though. Let's get into it. I think they gave me a free Cuban link chain, stainless steel. We about to get into it. We about to see how this look. I'm gonna try it on, diamond test it, everything for y'all. But I got a custom picture pendant from Get Lux. This a Vvs moissanite. I'm finna get into it though. Let's get into it. Dang, this mug's small. I was not expecting it to be that small. I ain't tripping though. This hard though. But this the stainless steel. The stainless steel. It's supposed to be a Cuban link, but I guess it's one of the shorter ones. I don't know. It's my first chain from them. So we got this. We got this. Alright, I'm finna show y'all what else we got. Before I show y'all the picture pendant. So we got this. This a 22-inch. It say it on the bag. I don't know if y'all can see that. But it say 22-inch on the bag. 22. Can y'all see that? Nah, they probably can't. But yeah, it's a 22-inch. Let's put this back in here. Hold on, man. We got a rope chain. This is stainless steel rope chain. This is a 22-inch. I'm gonna show y'all this one. This might be a long video. This might be a short video. I don't know. But yeah, I love rope chains if y'all ain't know. This is a 22-inch rope chain. Yes, sir. We got this. What do with the bag? Oh, the bag right here. Got the 22-inch rope chain. All right, y'all ready? I ain't gonna lie, this hard, but it's small though. I'm thinking about getting a bigger size. This is iced out though. It's iced out. But y'all ready to see it? Can y'all see that? That's my granddad and my granny. I do got some engraving on the back. Now this hard though. I wish they would have made it a little bigger though. But how do you open this? Oh, it say push. This is how you open it. I guess this is how you open it. Hold on. How you open this? It say push. See? That's how you open it. It's nice though. I'm about to show y'all the engraving. This mug crazy though, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I'm trying to show y'all. I want to show y'all what it look like. Y'all see it? Yeah, y'all see it. It's small though. I know it is. I'm gonna get a bigger one. Pause. But yeah, y'all, this how this looking. They did listen to me though. They got my engraving on the back of it. It say "Long live Granddad, long live Granny" on the back of it. If y'all can see that. All right, yeah, y'all can see that. It's small. But yeah, I'm finna diamond test this so I can show y'all it do pass the diamond tester. Let's get this off. This is a diamond tester. Y'all ain't know this is a diamond tester. It's a diamond tester. We gonna let this warm up. Go let this warm up now. I got some more bangers coming too, so y'all stay tuned. But let's get into this video. Alright, let's do it. I wanna show y'all let me see. I wanna show y'all, let me see. I don't know if I could be able to. Hold on. Ain't no cap in my rap. Ain't no cap in my rap. Y'all see it. Alright, I'm finna put this diamond tester back up. I'm so happy to go out of town. I'm so excited to go out of town tomorrow. I'm going to Chicago, and then Friday I'm going to Six Flags. My first time going, I ain't never been, so might do a vlog. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, y'all. This pendant hard though. It's small. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch is busting though. That bitch busting. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get a bigger one. Pause. That's crazy. I'm gonna get a bigger one though. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Yeah, but it's a little up close. Yeah, this mug hitting, I ain't gonna lie. I might wear this tomorrow, even though it's short. Even though it's small, I might wear this tomorrow. I ain't gonna cap. This bitch busting. Oh my god, this bitch. What the fuck? Shit. This bitch is crazy. Y'all see how that mug hitting, man? Stop playing. Real Vvs moissanite. This how it's looking on me, y'all, though. Shout out to Get Looks.